sitwasyon anang adlaw. Kapi lang di ay, kapi dadang. Maray na, ano? Nescafe 3 in 1. Pag city, pag 5 ra. Kilit-kilit sa tindahan. Maray na, di ba? Di ba? Kung gusto mo, hindi mo lamok-lamok ron, baygon katol. Yan, inspirational ko na. Good vibes na tagarda. Alright, time check. It's 1 minute left before we start sa story ni Cinder Cathy to my Immortal Scout. And tomorrow, mga gors, sa atong next episode is halo-halo ang title, no? Pero feel na ko, gors, is hadlok-hadlok. Mga inana gani nga title, gors. Klaro na kay hadlok-hadlok. Alright, it's 9:30 PM, mga gors. Ato na sugdan ang story. Ang story ni Cinder Cathy karong gabi una. Alright. Today is Wednesday, August 19, 2020. Title to my Immortal Scout, Cinder Cathy. Alright. Ngayong gabi, good evening to you, reader lyric. This is my story. Talk about our future like we had a clue. Never planned that one day I'd be losing you. Sunggo na po guys. English men. Dedak lah, guys, sa mga nani, sunggo na. Sa English na. Alright, mo no? Talk about our future. We like future like we had a clue. Never planned that one day I'd be losing you. Pwede siya ma-title, mga gores, na. Alright, trying ta. In another life, I would be your girl. We keep all our promises. Be us against the world. In another life, I would like you to stay. So, I don't have to say you were the one that got away. The one that got away. Uy, mura mag-lyrics ka. Di ba na, no? Pero gaya kayo, sung-gusong gawin tayo. Biyo kaya introduction, guys, na. Introduction na ni Sato Cinder Cathy. Minat kayo mga introduction na, ano niya? English kayo, mga kwanta, mga sung-gusong gawin tayo. Alright, so na ito. Ay, padayon di ay. Right, the girls. 2003. Summer. I met him through a common friend. I soon found out that we both go to the same church, attending the same mass. We would then go to places. Most of them I didn't know existed. He'd wait for me at school with an umbrella. Purot na ito in English. Alin lago, Bisaya ni Sumpay. Good vibes ta. Di mo, Cinder Cathy, pero di ka, ay. Pangita mo ko dito kung gapas sa ilong. Tidyak la. Good vibes na girls. Alright, right the girls. Matay ang gingo, no? He'd wait for me at school with an umbrella, watch me during dance practices, with water bottle and even took the time to know each other. And every friend I have is never empty-handed. The 15-year-old elated me. Couldn't resist his charm and truthfulness. Kadit sa gurus. Gurus, gasabod-sabod man akong dila ni Sinderay. English man eh. Alright, ayun siya no, matod pa. Kadit lang. Matod pa, he'd wait for me at school with an umbrella. Watch me during dance practices with water bottle and even took the time to know each other. To know each and every friend I have. He's never empty-handed. The 15-year-old elated me. Couldn't resist his charm and truthfulness. It was like the paradise before my eyes. Our relationship. Kada tagal kasabot-sabot sa dila na unsa naman na English. Ay, singer ay kabiya. Lingawa ni Basoy. Dele magana. Alright, try to go. Alright. Mata no, it was like paradise before my eyes. Our relationship was first tested when I nonchalantly reunited with an ex. It blew him, but to me, it didn't matter anymore until one day, I saw him with another gal. Yawan. Dugay kita. Didyak ragar sa Sinder na atra. Nagliso dyan ka sa English. Alright, 30. Gors. Taas-taas na ba niya English? Mitanan. Giahak diyan. Alright. I saw him with another gal. It struck me to the bones and did everything to have him back. And I luckily succeeded. Everything seems to be in their perfect places since then. We always make it a point to let each other know our whereabouts, no matter what the instance is, no matter how short the notice is. One morning, I was told by my mom to go with her to a family gathering because an overseas based relative came home, so they sort of hosted a reunion. Sad family English. Nabiya English din. Sa Amerikano ni Amerikano din. Sindir. Kati. Ay, if you hear your story for tonight, I'm really sorry that you are a foreign. You're a tourist. Tidak regor sa, pero bihawi. Alright. Alright, 30 gors. Matanon, ingon siya. I was told by my mom to go with her to a family gathering because an overseas based relative came home. So they sort hosted a reunion. While on our way, I texted him that I'll be attending a family reunion, so I won't be seeing him until late in the afternoon. Sana all English. Kapiya ka rin, paningot tag imbis aircon. Ay! Sinsya na yun ni mo Gorsendera, pero good vibes na tadari, pero seryoso yung serson tanin mo ang kwan. Pero sinood Gorsender, isura ilitok ko yun. Nagkatawa ko kaya nagkasabot-sabot na akong dilas microphone. Alright! Mata no? Kaya kay alright, mata no, ningon siya. I texted him that I'll be attending a family reunion, so I won't be seeing him until late in the afternoon. He told me the same thing. We both found it ironically sweet amidst the meet and greet session with relatives. Everything went upside down when I saw him. I soon found out he was the older brother of that little cousin I was playing with earlier. I can still recall to this day how I wished for lightning to come and take him, or that the ground will open up and devour me, or at least wake up to find out it's a dream, a nightmare rather. But no, it was the reality. I can feel my flesh shivering beneath my skin. Everything just feels surreal. His gaze were questioning, but before he can even utter a word, I told him we will talk later. That afternoon seemed to be dragging, that I wanted to pull the hands of time to end that horrendous day. One of the most loaded ones I've ever had. Chadak English course. Paningot na. Gas! Hindi rin sama niya. Ay! Natimingan man sa chatang gisuot nga pangbunyag sa panom. Ay, naunsa man niya. Ay! Awai ko ga-expect kaning mga gors na nga English din siya, no? Kaning kuan siya, kaning pare. Toris, siguro ni Kati. Hey Kati, if you are watching tonight live stream, I'm really sorry that sometimes I can't read it clearly. Joke ra gursa, pero basahan ka na sa pinabisdak ba na Bisaya para masamtan kayo sa uban kay di man kayo makuhan ko islang na di man Amerikano. Alright, trying to gors matad pa niya, one of the most loaded ones I've ever had. Matad pa sa ni Cathy. And then my coincidence told me to wrap things up with him, but my heart revolted. He tried his hardest to explain things to me that were in no way consanguineous. Consanguineous. Girls in there, ay. Kailangan mo siguro ni Imnanog ni. Pero mabayo to say. Pag-pronounce na? And say, good vibes are there. Alright, friend, of course. It was a battle between morals and emotions to me. That was the only time my mom found out about us, who is in the test of our relationship, and scornfully urged me to put an end to what we had. I chose to be a rightful daughter and obeyed her despite the inevitability. Sorry guys, inevitably painful process I had to go through. Every time news about him going out with another girl made rounds, it felt like a dagger is pierced inside of me. Grabing English. Wagi ko nakita yung bigamay Bisaya diri dapit. Sorry si Cinderadi kaya tumatarong ba ko na pronounce pero basta nagtarong ata na pa rin kamutan guys or sabi. Ano ba lang matay tinago ang English. Alright, friend guys. It didn't take long for us to get back together. Love is really lovelier the second time around. Oh, so meaning to say, yan pasabot no, love is sweeter than second time around, di ba? Ano siya, no, para masayon ba? Matod pasta. Similar, my friends were supportive of us and our concealed relationship. Yes, we're still hiding it from my family, which is why, despite being happy with him, something is still haunting me. We would be everywhere except my place. Ours was a taboo, but the happiest taboo. Years pass, and as we mature, I came nearer to the point of letting go. This is not the kind of love that I want. The kind of happiness that it brings me is improbable. These words echoed in my mind, so I made an agonizing decision. Perhaps the most agonizing one is my entire life to break up with him. Shoutout ko ni Christopher Silancis Mundo. Grabe ni, sindero, English kayo. English mo kayo niya. Matanan, matag pa niya. Mas mayo na lang daw ko nung to break up with him. Na? Gadugo yun naman. Gadugo sa ganirm. Gadugo. Apil naman siguro. Kung tungga. Grabe ka English. Aning ko na. Sinder ay. Basahan latay. Alright. Padayon ta. Matag pa niya. Niabot ko na sa part no nga. Nga nakakuan made siya sa iyang decision nga to break up atong sa iyang Paris that time. Alright, try ta. Just my luck. An aunt who is an Australian resident invited me and mom. Mao di gus. Daan ko palagi na siguro ni siya nagdako, no? Mo na English kay pero makasabot garo siya Bisaya. Gars na rin guro siya ka. Mo day no gapangawat ako. Sinja kayo, sender. Ay, paningot ko ay. Biyahe mo ang kontati. Dugo ilong ay giahak ba ni ay paningot tay na. Do mo day no. Just my luck. An aunt who is an Australian resident invited me and my mom. As soon as our visas were approved, we booked our tickets. I ended things with him just a few days before our flight. He was devastated and exasperated at the same time. He helped, but I was more than determined to put everything on a halt. Halt, mga gors. H-A-L-T, halt. Halt ba? Diba? He pleaded, but I was more than determined to put everything on a halt. Diba? Yeah, stop. That same year, I spent Christmas in Australia. The most heartbreaking Yuletide season I've ever experienced. No Noche Buena, no Aguinaldo Masses, no carolers outside the house, and no traces of him. Everything flashed back like sliders on a projector. The 9 mornings when he'd throw a stone on my window pane to wake me up so we can attend Aguinaldo Mass together. Our well-planned secret dates and the places we went together, all those things were nowhere to be found in the lovely plains of Perth. P-E-R-T-H, Perth. Days after Christmas, I was hospitalized and was sent home as soon as I can get up on my own. My mom and I welcomed the New Year in the cold Changi Airport of Singapore. God, darinig siya ni Goros. Okay, kung ano, kanang si tawagan niya ay gasong-gasong ko naman. Tulong nga ni Goros. Di mo din o, English siya, no? Ginay, Australia, no? Na, ilang visa na. Alright, pre, the Goros matod pa niya. Her mom and atong sender welcome the New Year sa cold, no? So, meaning to say, sa Changi Airport at Singapore, magkon na, gaya, isnaw na. Mag-isnaw na Singapore, Goros. Basta cold naman. Cold naman yung gingon. What may gingon is no. Alright, at that moment, I could not distinguish exactly which was more painful. Painful, our breakup or my illness, and which was colder. Colder, the winter breeze or his absence. Alright, back in Cebu. I was scheduled for laparoscopy, cholecystectomy, sabi ano sa ni siya, Gors? Ano sa man laparoscopic cholecystectomy? Ano sa siya nga sakit, Gors? Patayin, Gors. My body had a hard time coping. Food intake was painful, but not as painful as the ache that my heart had to endure. It and could have been flooded my mind again. If only he's here, things would been different. I can only sigh in despair. Many times I would shed tears. People around me understood that it's the after surgery discomfort. Yes, it was true, but at times it was the tormenting thought of not having him. Oh, bigyan din siya ng sakit din siya. Ano nga tayo ni Kurs? Ade, ay, sa mani ayaw. Si Kwan, taka, may tuplok ni Kwan. Ay, Nagsakit din ni janitors na naunsan. No, kaya yung mga words at tormenting nga na rin. Alright, guys! Nagsunggo ako ilong. Alright, when I fully recovered, my previous employer took me back, which I considered a blessing. I have a job to sustain my financial needs. On top of that, I'll be busy again and will no longer have time to think of him and to endure my looks. Months later, I regretted. The office was in need of an additional liaison staff. This news got into his ears and voila, he applied for it. He was a fit, and since he has a really good personality, my employer gave utmost consideration to him. His name caught the attention of my boss wife, which made me become an instant subject of scrutiny. Alright, I stood by my decision not to engulf my emotions, especially if it is something that concerns him. He got the job after my boss confirmed that it's fine with me. Every day was a torture. Abiyaw din yung kuno. Pero grabe yan yung kuno. Grabe din yung kasakit gurani girls, no? Ipiyaw ka mga word girls, oh. Every day was a torture kuno mga girls. I can't bear to look at him straight in his eyes. I'm afraid he would see the spark in my eyes. I'm afraid he would read my mind. And I'm afraid of giving in. He took every chance to be near me, to convey me, to give us another chance. It made me suffer even more. One of the perks that my boss bequeathed was a motorbike. I can only ride a bike on a short distance, so he volunteered to teach me how to drive. Thanks to him, I was able to go home aboard the two-wheeled vehicle with all my body parts intact. He was at my back, telling me the do's and don'ts. I was on the brink of giving in, but my mom's words resonated every time my emotions would swept me. I couldn't stand the tension. All my eyes are on us, as if they're waiting for a spectator worthy twist in a romantic movie. Terus gasabi. Gabi wa mi ko nakita Bisaya diri ganiya ra man taas ra ba. Gabi ay makapangita tag tissue di oras. Alright, Pretagors, not long after drift tore us apart, we lose grip of our supposed professionalism and wore our hearts on our sleeves. We exchanged unpleasant words. My utterance shattered him again. He loathed me 6 years after that dreadful day, 6 excruciating years of battling over my lows, and 6 years of slowing picking up the raptured pieces of me. It's safe to say I'm fine, happy, contented, single. I am proud. Strong and independent woman in my own right, with family and friends on the background and a job to feed my material needs and wants. Nostalgia hits me one night. Mo gini na, magperminti gini na, ako niya, inaas na kung saan na, past, 2000, last year niya. 1 year ago na diya, labay na. Dito no, mataningan siya, nostalgia hits me one night when along with new friends, I got a glimpse of him. We were goofing around while waiting for our order in one of the street stores at my friend's neighborhood when I caught sight of him sitting right next to one of my friends. I was paralyzed. All the memories that I buried came back as if they were just yesterday. Dito mga gors, no? Pero masapta mo. Pero sabi-sabo na English. Gabi ay. Sige. Gabi, lagi ko. Wait, tabang na. Tabang ko diya. Ay, coach! Tabangi, pagkudri in English. Yahak mo yan. Yahak yan eh. Kasugat ko tagpuan ay di maul. Mata na, ningan siya. All the memories ko no, nga iyahan ng gilubong. Balik ko no, nga murarag. Kahapon hitabo. I couldn't help but blurt out a surprise expression which never escaped from my friend's attention. When they found out, they were gushing over it. Chada in English. Giak, lihat deh. Kajat sakar sa sendera. Kajat sak. Ege madagyot kor sendera. Pero mata na, they were dashing over it. Especially when I told them that we've once been to their neighborhood, as it has an uphill spot overlooking the city. I can only wish he didn't notice me. My serene mind was swept by discontentment as I regularly spent weekends in that place. Tangan ko girl. Mas mali. Sungguh-sungguh ya ko girl. No? De, atrayan ta kay ato man siya masamari. Ikaw ma. Alright, Preta, I was worried I might bump into him one day because I wasn't ready to face him. I ignored the thought as much as I could. Out of curiosity, I checked his social media profile only to find out that he blocked me, and it hurts big time. Oy, asan to na click na ako na diahak ka ni English sa mga asa to gors, niya taga sa waters. Asa man to ay? Asa na ko dapit? Tara. Moto no, matod pa niya. no, kay kani siya kay napagigyapon ang love ani meaning to say kani siya mo to my immortal scout. Kasabot na ko sa iyang title mga girls, pero later na nato i-explain og ayo, pero matod pa siyang giingon siyang story. As of now sa dirita nga sentences ningon siya nga kung sa kwan pa ato na lang i-direct. Sakit bitaw yun no nga kana bitaw ang galap. In love paguro siya ni that time kay mabalik-balik na niya ang kwan nga mas sakit yun kay ngano gi-block man siya nga accidentally nga nakaunaw na siya ba nga I want gusto ko nga i-visit na ko iyang profile para matanaw na ko unsa na siya niya pag check niya di na ma-search meaning to say gi-block siya di ba block di so nasakitan po siya syempre sakit ay kay ikaw naggugma ka niya ni avoid lang ka kay tungod sa kwan pero for you para nimo sender no para for me lang no di sakto ang sakto gid buhato no kung na mo sa sakto nga kwan pangedad og sakto na mo sa inyong kwan gid okay it is sa amin Gilson ba ni di okay man nga si tao gani nga mo-follow kasi mong parents nindot sad nga kwan pero for me lang yun no follow your heart follow your soul kung asa yun ka mas kampante and that makaingon ka nga I can fight my imong BF nga sa imong family paglaban mo siya kay naamay yun ay mangingunana mga girls di na to na malikayan sa tuwag kuhan sa gusa nga di kakaingon nga ganahan na nimo ang imong parents sa imo at first di gina girls mao gina niyo timanan di gina siya at first pero na si tao gani swerte na lang kung at first dawat dayon ka ganahan dayon ka pero at in the end dili di nana ba di na mga inana ang best goro nga solution na para lang nako don't mind it just mind your love nga kwan mo love mo just love each other just like that mara ginana ra don't mind it si tawa gani kanang be mature din na para sa mga nana sakto ra sakto na mastorya mi nana mo inahan but sa imo na pud nga part siyempre ikaw may kikwanan na siyempre tom sa ta basta mara pa na basta mo to kung pasabot girls dili ganing ng tanan sakto sa lang ato ang nasa tato ang gingon pero sa ato ang parents nasa na sila sayop ilalang nang gusto i-correct para sa tua and para po na sa tua ilang gibuhat but not all the time nga sakto po nila ang giingon para sa tua di ba para kuha lang ba kanang tagaan lang mo mga basis bitaw mura inana bitaw para sa inana tagaan lang mo basis ba mo dinigingan ni mama pero mo nigingan sa mama mo nigingan sa papa ako lang nanaon ako lang kwan pero pwede ka good mo kwan good pwede ka mong maingon nga kwan good istorya good basta open mara na alright try to gods. My friends did the stalking for me. He already has someone. He already has a new sun for his world to revolve around. The thought hurts even more. This whole ordeal is cutting me into pieces again. And all I can do is move on. Bitaw sakto sa nimo sender kati no move on na lang kay you already decide pero ikaw man mismo na magutagoy mga kwansad mga gors dili man ingon di lang nato itanan na pero mostly so wae na ginatawag nga pinaka grabe nga pride na nila gors dito gahi ginas tanang gahi nga himan dito diwa pa dito ka move on maray na ba di ba kahilak na Bitaw no, inana, siyempre, inabuhat naman nimo, ni-decide naman ka ana. At first, pag-decide nimo, sure na ba jud ka? Sakto na ba yun imong desisyon? Okay ba yun? Kaya ba yun nimo? Sakto na ba yun na? Desisyon na ba yun na nimo? Maray na ba, di ba? Bitaw kay kung mo decide na gani ka, once you decided, tapos nagitan. Better to move on for you, sender, Cathy. Alright, trying ta. Fate may have it when Mom suddenly mentioned about him. While we were talking about random things, my ears wanted to explode when she said we're not really related. That line sounded like a slow-mo. She casually said she didn't want me to go out with him because he wasn't good enough for me at that time. Bitaw no, inana naman yun no, parents, anak naman yun na, atong parents mga girls. Pero ikaw, that time, nagtrabaho naman ka. It's really up to you. Naaragin mo, pero dili na sa nimo ingon nga panumbalingon ang ingon sa imong parents, sa imong mom. Kay naapo diha ang pagmahay kung ang imuha lang putanan imong gisunod. Ala, sakto ang gibuhat No, sayop na gors. Bitaw sayop na gors. Better to ang sa tawa na imo nang dawaton ba ang ingon sa mama. Imo nang basihan pero i-balance gyud na siya gors. But for me lang yun, if ako sa imong side nana, mo'y naglatag, ana bitaw, kung baylo tag situation, ako ang lalaki, ikaw babae man good ang sender good no, girls. Pero what if lang ba ako lalaki niya, ginana, ako nagsigikuan, why ako pa mapakon-kuan nun, dugay-dugayon nga, this person really love me, and di ko kita yung ani nga, bisag nga ng gipangita kaniya ba? Pasan pa kaniya, yan, sa manani, yan, hindi yung kamuha, basta nada. Bitaw no, inana na siya mga girls, di ba? Kay, time will come, we will grow older, we will not grow younger. Bitaw, magkatiguang digit ta. Better to have a wise mind, wise choice. Mga inana ba? Alright, patay tagaors. He was fine being mediocre, looking like someone who doesn't have an ambition, which people see as a weakness. I never regarded him that way. He was something else, and he meant the world to me. I pretended not to pay attention to it and try my hardest to conceal my unfathomable feelings. Dead air. Bitaw nung anong naagi kayo mga inaala. Pride man girls. That's love na ganin mo. Nanagi namin sa inyong duwa. Ego, pride, kanano, mo ganyan mo destroy sa inyo ang relationship. Bitaw, laging, if ang usag-usa sa inyo, wayog paubos, goodbye, good luck. Pero ang usam, paubos, dili lang pod permente ang usa pod. Dapat ang usa, give and take ba? Di ba? Di ba? Give and take ba? Ikaw, sige, siya atong niyagi, di ba? Okay na ba? Di ba siya, grabe kayo siya atong niyagi, pero dool kay sa akong kasing-kasing, kuhan kay ka ng, basta, marunay na, basta give and take, kuhan, dili lang, dapat balance yun, team up mo kay team man mo, nahog naman mo, team, kamunduha, alright, padayon ta, did air mo, matod pa niya, no? Unpalatable feelings, did air, pero wala lang. My sister managed to desist the awkward silence by shifting to a different topic while I process everything in my mind silently. amidst the tranquil night, I couldn't afford to put myself to sleep. I had to pull off all the effort I need to put my mind at ease. I messaged my friends who, until that very moment, were hoping for a romantic movie twist. Right at that very moment, I messaged them, even if I know they won't be able to read it until they wake up. I got up the next morning following my usual routine as if nothing happened. While driving on my way to work, I couldn't contain the turmoil in my head and pulled on the curbside. It was only then that I noticed my tears. The tears that I've been hiding since last night. If only I listened to him. If only I learned of this way back when I was his world. Lutada kay Gors. Dahil ako sa tanig mag-birthday kasi, no? Grabe kayo na. Ito, no? Kani grabe niya kasakit mga Gors, no? Galing, no? English na yung kay Gors. Mas ni grabe pag mag-ilak-ilak siguro tani. Siya kani. Alright, friend Gors. When his gaze were meant only for me, I found myself wailing inside, wishing there's a way to turn back time. I wanted to run after him, tell him what I found out, but I didn't know how. I wanted to talk to him, but I didn't know what to tell him or where to start. I lost time. I lost love. A sense of remorse is all I have. My friends pushed to make a move to at least have a closure, but I didn't have the guts. Sabahan ako ni mo, Cinder. Kung namati ka karon, for you, English, asa ba ni Cinder? Englishan pa na. Di. Parti ka mag-listen, no? Better yun nga. Magkita mo in a good way para sa nindot nga closure, no? Okay. Para ginako, no? Usa ginako nga na-experience, bati yun ang why closure in person. Kanabit ang chat lang. Hindi mo magkita kaya wa na lagi mo, which is di naman mo bata. Di mo bata para nakaig time na kay abi pa lang sa una katong kamo pa dili san mo malipayon, dili mo ay tuig na wala mo love sa una na create. Give time, that's the last part sa inyong relationship, sa inyong love story. Di pa yun mo magkita na unsa, di ba dapat magkita yun for a better closure. O nindot ba dili nindot pa gaan sa feeling ba dili lain kay hangir kay bragyang butang nga hangir sa utok. Okay, klitar bubuwag na at chat raman text raman abati ni Nana Gurs. Di na mo bata god mura pa magunag teenage kanang inana, di ba? For better closure yun na mag-iuban god kanang pada sa pride lagi kanang kalagot na nasa inana nga di gina makikita. If you are good enough or matured enough, kung ikaw mo yun mismo nakakuan, ikaw na lang mo adjust kanang minana nga tao. Pero kung kamanduha willing mo, give time. Last part na nasa inyong ending na nasa inyong love story kumbaga ba, di ba? Better to give one time ana sender tapi closure lang good para mas mugaan ang imuang feelings. Don't don't. Basta pa tayo tagors, alright. Matanon, ingon siya nga. Iya ko ng friends push her to move, at least have a closure. Sakto bitaw yung friends nga mas mayo man gud na closure mas mayo gud kung sa personal nga mag-istorya gud mo ba kay last part naman na sa inyong love story. Kabaw na ka gors. Kana ganing dili mag-closure sa kwan, no? Napa na plano mo balik? Di joke ra gud sa. Pero mao ko na mostly, no? Di ganahan mag-closure og kwan ba kay napa na plano siguro, pero mas mayo gud closure for me. The best thing gina. Last na guna sa inyong kwan kay gusto naman makigbuwag, wala naman di mas mayo closure in person, not in chat or text. Di ba? Alright, continue tagors. My most awaited moment came when I met a common friend who happened to see him going in our direction. That was the first time I met him face to face since that horrible day. He still looks good, clad in denim pants and black jacket, straddling in his motorbike. I remembered how he passionately taught me how to drive with a thudding heart. I was willing to give him a genuine smile if only he wasn't rushing to go. He went on without even taking a glimpse on me. My friend and I exchanged farewell and head to our respective ways. My heart sank. I wanted to cry, but I ran out of tears. I wanted to wail, but my voice doesn't seem to have its way out. Did I just die? Or did the world shut down before my eyes? I wanted to grow numb. I wanted to remove that part of my brain that held memories of him. I feel you this way, this time, guys. Inanasar ako na kwan sa that was past year na. Long time ago na. Pero mo sa nasod sa kuno na. Di na magitay kwan. Pero for you, gos, no? Sinder, kati. Dili man, kamo, there is a reason why nahitabo na. There's a reason why dili yun para kamo. And then, it will came this, remember this, Bitaw, is he a blessing to you or a lesson? Mura na naragot, di ba? If he is a blessing to you, congrats. Kaya, agad siya ni mo. If not, he is a lesson. Mura na naragot, di ba? Naimuagi sa tuwang parte sa tong kinabuhi nga mga tao nga muhatag na to og lesson sa tong kinabuhi mga gors. Dili lang ingon nga kanawit taong niagi lang. Padayon ta gors, alright. I wanted to cut that part of my heart that had a space for him. My heart that had space for him. Lagi. But even if it be possible, I still can't, because that would cost me a bigger part of my brain and a bigger fraction of my heart to be astray. It would render me lifeless. He hasn't just part of my past. He was my past. He wasn't just part of my life. He was my life. Okay, girls na. Kung ikaw garong basa ni girls, di mo pa na. magkilak-kilak siguro sabon na lang dito. Ito, no? Alright, trying to guys. At the moment, I could say that the rain has stopped and I'm looking forward to a brand new sunrise. I am slowly forgiving myself and digesting the fact that I have to let go and move forward so that one day I can look back without shedding a tear, without feeling resentful. Wherever you are right now, I sincerely hope you're doing well and happy. I'm sorry I broke you, Luther. Okay, good. Hello. Hello. Tsada kay Gors, no? Nino siya nga pinalasan ba kay? I sincerely hope you are doing well and happy. I'm sorry I broke you. Sakit, no? And this is the story of tonight, mga Gors. Kaya ito, pakpak mo ito istorya ni Sender Cathy. Mangita sa kong tissue, Gors, na nagkatagtang